The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is shaping up to be a uniquely slim and lightweight device, but its camera capabilities and battery life may leave some fans wanting more. According to renowned Samsung tipster Ice Universe, the S25 Edge will feature a 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2 sensor, just like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter. However, it lacks a dedicated zoom lens, meaning its zoom capabilities will rely on the main camera. Ice Universe also confirms that the device will have a 3,900 mAh battery, a relatively small capacity likely due to its ultra-thin design. The latest leak suggests that it is even slimmer than earlier reports, which estimated a thickness of 6.4 millimeters. Adding to this, Ice Universe has confirmed that the device will be lighter than the standard Galaxy S25, which weighs 162 grams. The last time Samsung introduced such a lightweight flagship was the Galaxy S10, which weighed only 157 grams. Given modern smartphones' increasing weight, the S25 Edge stands out. However, this reduced weight likely comes at the cost of no periscope zoom lens, a less sophisticated cooling system, and a plastic frame, making it lighter but also potentially less premium in build quality. Performance-wise, the S25 Edge is expected to share core specs with the S25 Ultra, including the latest chipset and RAM configuration. The real innovation, however, could be its use of silicon-carbon battery technology, allowing for a thinner form without sacrificing battery life. Further details have emerged from leaker PandaFlash Pro, who claims the Galaxy S25 Edge will sport a 12-megapixel front-facing camera, 12 GB of RAM, a 120Hz refresh rate display with 2,600 nits peak brightness, 25-watt charging speeds, and Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The phone will feature an Armor aluminum frame, 1.32mm display bezels, Wi-Fi 7 support, and an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor. Interestingly, the leak also suggests that the device has a thinner vapor chamber than the Galaxy S25, indicating less efficient heat dissipation. While PandaFlash Pro doesn't mention every spec, SmartPreeks has corroborated that the second rear camera will be a 50-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, aligning with earlier leaks confirming the 200-megapixel main camera. The Edge branding, once associated with curved displays, now symbolizes cutting-edge technology. Samsung appears to be positioning the S25 Edge as a new category of ultra-thin, high-performance smartphones. Its main competitor will likely be Apple's iPhone 17 Air, set to launch in September 2025. As for pricing, the S25 Edge is expected to sit between the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra. Samsung is likely to reveal official pricing closer to its launch. According to Max Jambor, the official launch is set for the second quarter of 2025, aligning with previous rumors pointing to an April release.